Good evening, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Is this the last trump? Is this the last trump? Right now, the presidential election results show Donald Trump at 213 votes. And to win, he needs 270 votes. That means he still needs 57 more electoral votes to win. 57 more to win would bring him to 270. But of all the states in question, he's ahead in Georgia, which, if he wins, is 16 electoral votes. He's ahead in North Carolina. If he wins that, that's 15 electoral votes. And in Pennsylvania, he's ahead, and that is 20 electoral votes. So if we add 20 plus 15 plus 16, that's 51 electoral votes, would bring him to 264. He definitely would need one more state. All the other states in question are showing Biden is ahead. Biden is ahead in Nevada and in Arizona. So what does this mean? Is this the last Trump of the Bible? Is Donald Trump a sign for us? Remember, when Donald Trump came into office, he was 70 years old, 7 months, and 7 days. 777. Donald Trump was born 700 days exactly before the birth of Israel. 700 days before May 14th, 1948 was Donald Trump's birthday. Donald Trump was born under a blood red moon eclipse. Everything about Donald Trump is the number 7. And the Bible says that there is going to be a last trump, which would correspond to the 7th trumpet. So are we watching right now the last trump of God before his coming, before the true trumpet will blow in the heavens when he comes for his people? So this is the reality of what we're watching. And the last trump shall sound. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting that at a time like this, we have a president who's named Trump. And the Bible doesn't say the last trumpet. In English, it says the last trump. Very interesting how this is given to us as a sign. Donald Trump, the last trump, the 7th trump. And what does the loss of Donald Trump mean, and the presidency of Joe Biden? What does the presidency of Joe Biden mean? Well, we all know who stands with Joe Biden. A direct line for Barack Obama to return to the White House. Oh, yes. Whether he's president or not, Joe Biden in the White House will bring a direct line of leadership to Barack Obama. Because Joe Biden has his counselors. Joe Biden has, even if he's the front man, the face man, who's the one behind him pulling all the strings. Well, there you go. Barack Obama, the 6th king, who will return as the 8th king. And I think this is a very real scenario, a very real way that this could all happen by the loss of Donald Trump. Right now, Donald Trump's losing. Does not look like, in a normal case scenario, he will win the votes necessary. This is just a reality. This is just the facts of what I'm showing you. Is where are the votes right now? Where does it stand right now? He would need at least 4 states, and he's only got 3. So even if he gets to the 264 votes, he's still 1 state short. At least a state with 6 votes, and there's just no more. There's no more available. Looks like Alaska isn't decided yet either, but I don't know how many votes Alaska holds. But either way, it does not look like Donald Trump is in line to make the 270 votes necessary. Okay. And the last trump shall sound. Is this the return of Barack Obama to the White House, to world leadership, to be the king of Babylon? Behold, I show you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed. In a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump. For the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed. I pray you're blessed tonight. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people, the sign of his coming revealed.